Here are 5 tips to improve your photography. Learn the basics of photography. This includes understanding the different camera settings, how to use light, and how to compose a photo. There are many resources available to help you learn the basics of photography, including books, websites, and online courses. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you will become at taking photos. Make a point of taking your camera with you everywhere you go and experimenting with different settings and compositions. Get feedback from others. Once you have taken some photos, show them to friends, family, or other photographers and ask for their feedback. This can help you identify areas where you can improve. Experiment with different styles of photography. There are many different styles of photography, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what you like best. You may want to try landscape photography, portrait photography, or street photography. Don't give up. Photography is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Don't get discouraged if your photos don't turn out perfect right away. Just keep practicing and you will eventually see improvement.